doing today?
We're going trekking.
Jungle trekking.
Yeah, we get to see elephants also.
We're just trekking up, we're going to see how they live without any power or anything like that.
Any electricity.
Yeah, be good. You don't know what to wear to a trek when you're in Thailand, because you don't really have much. But we've just gone for like a gym set.
Yeah.
And then just like a top over the top, so hopefully it'll be okay. And trainers.
Yeah, Chloe's gone for the long socks.
Yeah.
I do have long socks too, but in
Gotta
my
protect
bag.
the ankles from the mosquitoes. Let's go.
Yeah, and we just had these shots, these drinks.
They're ginger.
And it absolutely blew my head off just from one.
Because it's ginger.
It is kind of spicy.
So we've just got some street food. Cost us 50 baht each. So 100 baht.
This one is Chloe's.
That we have got the same, but I've just got a bit more spice than Shelby's.
Little spice and I got no spice.
So we've got rice, pork, stir fried with some spices and veg, and then a fried egg. Delicious. Enjoy. We've just been picked up in the van to go to the tour. We were expecting to be like in a group, but because it's low season, because it's like rainy season here right now in Thailand, it's just me and Shelbs. So we're doing the tour together, but we don't mind that anyway.
It sounds really, really good.
Yeah, it sounds so good. So he did just tell us the plan. So we're going to some markets first to kind of pick up any last bit necessities or anything.
Mosquito spray.
Yeah, we already have
Or
most
sun
things.
lotion.
But yeah, we're just gonna have a look around there.
We're gonna hopefully look for some long trousers, aren't we? So
Yeah.
we don't get bitten.
We aren't putting the spray on religiously though, and we should, but you just forget, don't you?
And it stains clothes.
And it
So
stains,
it's really
'cause
difficult.
It's a strong one that we have, so. But yeah, we just had breakfast. Mine was so spicy.
Yeah, you said little spice and it came with a lot of spice.
A lot of spice, but I still ate it. It was okay. And then we're going rafting.
Yeah.
We haven't put our swimsuits on, so we need to get changed into that somewhere. And then we hike. We have lunch, and then we hike up to a waterfall, which is like 2.5 hours.
Yeah, I'm excited for the waterfall.
And then we see some elephants today. We're not doing anything with them. We're just seeing them, how they live and that.
Yeah. Out in the wild in the nature.
Yeah. And then tomorrow, you can see what we do tomorrow.
Pretty excited. Yeah. Really excited. Just walking the water.
Bye. In
In the rain.
We brought our trusty hats with us, so we're fine. We're in the water anyway.
Yeah.
I just feel sorry
one
for
way
him.
or the other, aren't we? Was pretty cool. Yeah, the driver, the bamboo driver.
I'm really excited about it today. I just have a big feeling about it.
Yeah.
More than a woman, a goddess with no things. More than a woman, a goddess with no things. While we were cool and moving the zone, I still remember how it felt when love was gone. Ooh, yeah. Yes, still memories in the
So my soul literally just left my body. I had a snake. It literally just came right past our feet from one end of the part to the other. I'm still recovering. That was about 10 minutes ago.
It was actually really epic.
Everyone was laughing at me. Yeah, and our tour guide has just collected some mangoes for us because we're going to the waterfalls. We're going to the waterfalls now. Right, as if I'm not already scared, we've just come past skin from a snake that a snake has shedded. It's all about facing your fears, right? Oh my god. Lunchtime, bitches. True Thai style. Thank you.
Wow, that looks tasty.
Oh, it's delicious. This is our lunch. Here's my date. And the waterfall is, where is it, like, is it just behind there? There's our tour guide. He's just got cutting some mango that we picked up from when we were walking earlier on. And there's another group down there. Obviously they're not with us, but they're quite a big group, so nice to see some places. We're just gonna eat now because build up an appetite when you walk in and see the snakes. I don't like snakes. Okay? It's all part of it though, isn't it? But if my mum was here, she wouldn't be here. That's what I'm saying. Hello. This little cutie's come to say hello. Okay, we're off again. So I get a breath because I just climbed so many steep stairs. We're going to another waterfall now. Kokunka.
Now if a snake comes next to you.
If a snake comes next to me, I know what to do. Guys.
Who knows?
Okay, let's go. Okay, right, this is what it looks like. A hot sweaty mess. Oh, and the mosquitoes. So we're in the midst of the jungle now. And it's hard.
Oh, mushrooms.
Yeah. Hi-ho, hi-ho.
Off the beaten track we go. Mushrooms.
Oh, that's a big one. I think we've been trekking for about 2 hours now. It's quite steep here. How did you get down? Shelby just tripped up. Are you okay?
All dripped down.
So yeah, we've been trekking for about 2 hours. Sweating from places I didn't even know I could sweat from. But we've had about 2 breaks. It's not that bad when you get going.
And another tour guide that we met over at the place where we had our lunch, he said that our tour guide was one of the best.
Yeah, he's very good, like he informatively knows the jungle, like it's,
Yeah.
he just knows the jungle very well. We're gonna move again after a short break. Shelby had a swim, bit of a swim. I didn't, I just put my feet in. And now our tour guide says 10 more minutes. And I think it's our final destination for the night.
Say what?
So the trek was 100% worth it to be here. Gorgeous views. All you can hear is the sounds of the jungle. We've got 2 friends. One here. One here. And of course our tour guide.
I mean the elephant beer.
Elephant beer, ah.
Chan beer, they say elephant beer.
Ain't no better sound, hey?
Right, cooking for the champignon.
Mm. Mushrooms?
Yeah, for the mushroom.
Don't be greedy. Have one. Have one.
Oh, she's going for a pee.
The name elephant, Molusa, name elephant.
Lusa.
Yeah, Molusa.
She's beautiful.
Molusa, Mambasa.
I'm so glad now that we've come, the season that we've come in, because obviously there's not many tourists here. Which means we get all of this to ourselves with Lusa for the night.
No, this is my beer. My beer. This is mine.
So it started to rain slightly. I'm actually so glad it has, because the sound is just so relaxing. And Lusa can get a shower because it gets quite hot. These are our beds for the night. They're a bit big for this, I think. She's come in the bedroom. But she's not allowed.
You know when someone says, oh, there's an elephant in the room?
There is a big elephant in the room.
There is an elephant in the room.
We're feeling very lucky and very blessed to be here right now.
Yeah, very appreciative, aren't we?
And it's just us,
Yeah.
and obviously our tour guide and the people that live here that kindly allowed us to. And Lusa.
Yeah, Lusa. She's gone now though, because we ran out of bananas and potatoes.
She's just down there eating some grass and leaves.
Yeah.
And it's storming, but it doesn't even matter. We have our elephant there.
Yeah. And hopefully we see some more.
Tomorrow we're like bathing them and
Yeah,
feeding
washing
them.
them and stuff.
Like there's a few of them, so this one is just the one that lives here.
It's like a pet.
It is
She
like
just
their
comes
pet.
in, demands food, and when
Yeah.
it's gone, she's like, bye.
There she is, just there. This is Lusa. We've got another friend now. This one looks smaller.
Deeper.
Deeper.
Yeah, deeper.
How old?
32. For the Molusa, 39.
She's a lot bigger.
Yeah, bigger.
Bigger, yeah. How many elephants around here?
4. For the baby. For the baby, I order 3 years. 3 years, 4 months.
Baby, yeah. One for you. One for you. Who's gonna be first? This is our dinner for the night. Curry vegetables and rice, of course. Sticky rice. Kindly made by our tour guide. Cotton car. Yum. Good morning. I look really rough, but still part of it. didn't sleep very well last night. We got bitten still so much, and obviously we don't have a door or anything, we literally just have that, so it was an experience. Your coffee is definitely needed this morning before we go see some more elephants, to wash them and feed them, and some more waterfalls before we head back to our hotel. Shelby's just gone out with our tour guide to find some lemongrass, because that's what they use here to protect you from mosquitoes. So if you rub the lemongrass all over you and your clothes and stuff, then they're less likely to come and attack you. So she's just gone down there to find some of it and bring the goods back. We do have mosquito spray, but it's sort of like the 100% deep one, and it stains your clothes and stuff, so you still get bitten, so I don't know. We're trying everything at this point because we're in the actual jungle, so here she comes with the lemongrass. She got the goods. True jungle style. So we're just going with the elephants to feed them some more bananas, because that's all that they're wanting this morning is more bananas. Me. They know the route better than I do. So this local family that we're staying with, they look after these elephants. There's about 4 around here. 3 fully grown, and then there's a baby which is 3 years old. So we'll be seeing that later. But these are the 2 that have been staying with us last night. This is the greedy one, Luca. Okay.
Matrix.
Did you touch it? So we're going on to the next place now, and all the tour groups have just arrived, so I feel very blessed that we got to see them, just me and Shelbs. Bye! Now, on to the next. We got our sticks again.
We're just saying how blessed we were, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That we were with the elephants on our own.
Literally just me and Shelbs. Went to sleep and woke up with them. So I think we're going to see some more now, some different elephants, and there's the baby one, which I'm so excited to see.
Wow.
Back home for
Wow.
3 days, 3 nights. She trust me. She's really happy.
Yeah.
I take care of them after born 1 hour.
After they've been born, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're like daddy?
Yeah.
Second.
Yeah, second dad.
They like banana.
They do.
Baby elephant, 3 years and 5 months.
Trying to get up now. Oh, you dropped it.
Look at this.
Oh, she's got loads of hair. I know, she has lots of hair.
Ready?
Get out of his mouth.
Hey. Cho them lie down.
Yay.
Okay, now you can take a mug and put her body.
Quite moisturising, right?
Yeah.
I just finished washing the elephants and bathing with them in mud and the river and stuff. It was really fun. And the baby was so cute. Literally just, you can tell, obviously I know it was a baby, but You can tell it's a baby. It's just so playful and hungry. One of the locals said they eat for 20 hours of the day. How insane is that? They just love it. It's so nice to see them like in their natural habitat and not like out a zoo like you do in England. But yeah, I really enjoyed that. That was like a highlight for me and Shelbs. Just buying some banana chips made here. This is where we were yesterday. So we're just having a pit stop and getting some banana chips made by the locals. We're back into a comfy bed. I don't think I've ever been so excited to be on a bed. A proper bed.
Yeah. We was literally on the floor, weren't we?
Yeah, we were on the floor.
With like a tiny thing like this. Thick that we laid on bamboo.
It was really uncomfortable. But we did it and it was amazing. It was the best experience ever.
It was so good, yeah. The day, activities and the excursions and seeing everything we've seen was well worth the uncomfortable sleep and kind of scary, but still. Yeah, it was fun. We did it and we're really proud of each other.
But we're just going to finish the video here, I think, because we're back now on to the next.
Yeah, we're staying in this hotel now for 3 nights, so we can relax and we're having some like downtime. Yeah, because otherwise you get travel burnout and we don't want that.
We don't want that. And I have lots of stuff to do.
We've got so much planned for the month, so it's going to be a busy one.
So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like it.
And don't forget to subscribe and put our notifications on so you can see when we upload new videos. Because we're here, there and everywhere, so we're going to be uploading so many different new places. So subscribe if you haven't. Yeah. Thanks so much, guys. Thank you. See you next time.